All right, we are at 518 North Tampa in Tampa, Florida, and we're gonna ride the elevator. Say hi, Jake and Kane.
I'll go with you.
Sure.
I'll stay here.
Okay.
All right, you want to press the button? So we're gonna go at 3. This is a Florida elevator.
Also, don't be surprised if it just goes up and then goes down
Okay.
automatically because I once pranked Jake and Zane by doing that. So it
Okay.
might happen.
Yeah, but it's a vintage elevator and it still runs nicely, even with the movement like that.
Yeah. Nope.
Here we are at 3. Let's go 1. Here's your inspection certificate. Interestingly enough, this expiration date is 2021, so this has been inspected.
Wow. Glad they didn't modernize it yet.
Welcome back.
I'm gonna look at the, I'm just gonna take a look at the cab from
Oh,
outside.
yeah, go ahead.
The lights is awesome on this thing.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes.
Says in use.
Somebody's called it probably.
Someone called it, huh?
Yeah.
And you can see right there, it says in use.
And it goes off when it gets to the floor when it's not
Yeah.
in use.
Again, this is a Florida elevator. Anyway, that'll be it.